Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't think I've shown you this, so I'm just going to share it with you. This is my homemade sheet metal fabrication tree. That's what I call it. A simple H-frame. It started out as, and I put one of these cheap $20 sheet metal brakes on the top of it originally, just so I can move it around the garage, which never bolted down to the bench the whole time. And then, as you know, if you watch my videos, I make a lot of small patches myself. So then I stepped it up a notch. I added a wing onto this side and a piece of 3-inch angle iron, and then another wing on this side and a piece of box channel on here. Now each one of these has their own intricate little bit to them. Like this has a a fat radius here for if you're hammering over a piece of sheet metal, you need a fat radius. This one's got much tighter corners on it, and I got a little piece for the truck clamped in here right now. I'm gonna trim that off. But it's all made out of scrap metal welded together, and definitely helps me with my project, so just thought I'd share it with you.